one of the things that we at least like to focus the conversation around is where are you most mature? Because at this point, you probably have an automation COE. You probably have a couple of friends and families around the organization, right, that are true champions and sponsors for your work. And at this point, it's really about where can you capitalize and be safe to test and be safe to evaluate new technologies. Let's take the most mature line of business that you support, take the scope of automations that you have there, and see how you can kind of enhance the employer customer experience. For one of our Fortune 500 tech clients, we have a huge accounts payable and accounts receivable automation. And one of their very, very first automations that they had there was, obviously reading invoices, getting contracts, getting POs, managing POs, all that fun stuff. And from their perspective, we were like, wouldn't it be nice if our employees, instead of going through an email form or UI, etc., could just chat and get this information? What that allowed us to do is, instead of all these emails back and forth, it was a live chat that in case the automation or solution did not have the proper information, it could just ask. And again, in that situation, it was already a client that had an established automation footprint that said, hey, let's start safe and let's try to figure out how we can best help the people that we're already helping now.